Hi there! Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set up a new Stripe account so you're ready to streamline your payment processing with the PayNow module. We'll break this down into two easy sections: account creation and profile setup. Let's get started, shall we? First, head over to stripe.com and click on Start Now to begin the sign-up process. Enter your email address, full name, country, and a strong, secure password. This is important to keep your account secure. Then click Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification message. Click on Verify Email Address in the email to confirm your account. With the first part now complete, you will now need to activate payments to start accepting transactions. Click on Activate Payments to begin filling out your profile. Choose your location and business type, then if applicable, select your appropriate business structure from the selection. If not, then click Continue. Here we enter basic details like your business legal name, company number, business address, phone, email address. Choose an industry most relevant. Then add a website link, or if you don't have a website, you can use a social media page. Next, add in a brief business description. Roughly 2 sentences should be enough. Then click Continue. These sections may not be relevant for all businesses. Here we add details of significant persons of the business, such as representees, owners, directors, and executives. Once all relevant details have been entered, let's continue on to public details. Public details is the information your clients will see on their receipts and invoices. Add a statement descriptor and short-term descriptor, which will appear on your customer's statement. Enter a customer support phone number, click Continue. Now, connect Stripe with your bank account by entering your bank details. For sole traders, enter your sort code and account number. For companies, provide your business bank account details. Double-check for accuracy and click Continue. For ultimate security, set up 2-factor authentication to secure your account. You can use a security key, passkey, SMS, or an authenticator app like Google and Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Follow the prompts to set up your desired authentication method, then click Continue. For tax, VAT, or GST, there is an optional selection for your main product or service category. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Once you're confident, agree to the terms and click Submit. And that's it. Your Stripe account is now set up and ready to start processing payments with an activated PayNow module in Formitize.